one man, one life, one dream would scream across the finish line. I laid it down in the German breakdown full bore, with my air-cooled transfers and line force 04. I knew the 1100 was the man to burn. I rolled it straight away, he had me in the turns. They blasted out of the high bank in the smoking clutch, only to defeat he thought as he laid it down into those greasy-ass turns. In the distance, those oversized Japanese leg burners sounded like some sort of mutated gigantic insect. 3 men on monster machines shot out of God's slingshots. WFO. All I had to do was hold on 7 miles to go. There were red lights flashing, the cops were gaining fast. In a high-powered way, awesome road smoke control my dash. The MD-1100 made its move on the inside as the speedometer bounced over the 100 mile per hour